Hey up now then folks, so we've been to go do a horse this morning and there was no snow drill, and I couldn't believe it when she said there was loads at Snainton. So we drove on for a look and I thought I'd take the drone and make use of it and fly it over and see what we could see. However, as you can just see in the distance there's a bit of a weather front coming on and it does affect the drone a little bit. I maybe should have put it in sport mode, as a bit further on it'll just hit the wind and I can't get it to go any more forward than that. And you'll see about now, it just won't go any more forward. So it's about max power there on normal mode. So I think I just sent it back after there. So I was hoping to go to rest at Eberston, but as you can see that weather front's coming in pretty quick. And I think this is filmed maybe twice speed, is this? What we're looking at is twice speed. So I'll take it back. John Wood's Mojocks there, look. Out in snow.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
If anyone's keen, I'll leave you some links to some other drone shots that I took. One of Snainton in the snow a while back and some various other ones, whatever floats your boat.